Thank you so much. Jesus, Holy Spirit, Holy Angels. Thank you. All right, what is this? We got the 10 of Wands here. This shit is weighing heavy on this person, on these people. It's a burden. Look at the moon right there. There's secrets. A motherfucker about to break their goddamn back right here. Or they damn near broke their back trying to ruin somebody else's reputation. Shit. Somebody's walking around here carrying this heavy ass weight. 3 of Pentacles. All because they was collaborating with somebody to do some shady ass shit. To ruin somebody's fucking reputation. We have the Ace of Pentacles here. I don't know if somebody felt like this was their opportunity, their chance. All they did was held their own damn self back. Now they fussing and fighting and arguing with other motherfuckers or got this inner conflict within themselves. Like, why? How could I be so fucking stupid? Ruined the friendship over some bullshit. Look, 7 of Swords. Lying, sneaky, cheating, son of a bitches. Was planning and plotting shit. Regret doing it. Regret being a little sneaky creep. But these was y'all wishes. This is what y'all wanted. They say be careful what you wish for. That's what they say. The sun is here. They say yes. I know what the fuck I'm talking about. Yeah, they walk around here struggling. Carrying this weight. Carrying this secret. And yeah, they collaborated. Yeah, they worked with this person. Just to try to ruin you. Or hold you back. Or stop you. Or keep you trapped. But now they sitting here stuck in a self-mental imposed prison. Constantly thinking about why. Or how could I do this to myself? Or what the fuck was I thinking? You try to set up a trap for somebody else and then you end up falling in your own damn trap. That's exactly what I'm getting. Thank you, Spirit. Yeah. Capricorn towards Virgo here. Them Pentacles is out this thing. Earth sign is out this thing. Yeah. You thought you was going to get this opportunity and have this other person just sitting out there left in the dark, left in the cold, abandoned and stranded, busted and disgusted. But then it turned around and it's you. This is crazy. The Hierophant is a Taurus here. Somebody's a leader or somebody is like this wealthy man, someone that people look up to, or this person is well known. This could be a businessman. Give me more on this situation. Temperance is here. Somebody got mixed up in this shit. Yeah, this earth sign got mixed up in this shit. Because maybe at the time, you could have been going back and forth, being in this person's face, your old friend face, hunting it off. Acting like you didn't know what was really going on when you was right there in the middle of it. You were involved. Give me more. Yeah, look, I told you, 5 Pentacles. Thought you were going to leave somebody out in the cold, busted and disgusted. Now look at him. He looked like he trying to come back to the woman and the child and apologize. He took his head off to this lady. These 3 of Pentacles has got some type of sun ray beaming down on it. That is somebody that they collaborated with someone. And left somebody out in the cold. They abandoned someone. And now it look like he want to come back and apologize. These Pentacles is out here strong. I just need one more. Please and thank you. Thank you, Lil. Yep, judgment. Judgment is being called. Somebody is being judged. It said busted. And I'm going to place it right on top of it. Somebody's getting their damn karma. I feel like I tried to do this to somebody who had a higher calling on their life. A tarot reader. Now people want to come in and say shit. This person might want to come and say something. Express something to you. Yeah, look. 6 of Cups. Somebody from your past. Look at y'all playing with each other. That was a betrayal here. Somebody stabbed somebody in the back. But with the original tarot deck, the swords are still in the person's back. On this one, the swords are not in this person's back. I'm looking at somebody want to heal this situation. Yeah, somebody want to contact somebody and give somebody some information. Yeah, this is the person from the past who kept going in and out, back and forth in your life. Because they was working. They said they was working. Really, they was plotting and planning shit. This person from your past was coming back and forth to you, but then going back and forth to whoever was working with them. Now they tired, feel like giving up, down on bending knees. This person's body is covered in some shit. Like, because the way this, I know it's showing like armor on its arm and leg, but when I look at it, it looks nasty, so. I'm sorry, y'all. That shit look nasty as hell. Okay. Alright, yep. I'm about to end this damn reading. I can't do that. Ooh, Jesus. Okay. Let me, put this shit. Hurry up. Get back into that, because that didn't look right. Somebody coming in to say they cut this person off because maybe this person was doing too much or had too much going on. And well, like we said, they right here in regret. Look. Somebody finna hop in their car, maybe come rushing into you saying something. That, you know, hey, I'll cut that person off. Maybe you ain't talked to this person in a while. They said this person was doing too much. Now they sitting right there in regret, crying over that spilled milk. How can you sit over here and cry about some shit you wished for? I wish it was me. Like I said, they said careful what you wish for. 9 and 5, what is that? 14? Yeah, 14, 1 and 4, that's 5 again. Be careful what you wish for. Because you might just get it. Look, everything that glitters ain't gold. This is an illusion. Motherfucker told you a sweet deal, a sweet dream. Gave you good promises. Alright, you guys, that's all I have for this reading. If you like this video, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. Okay, you guys? Thank you to all my new subscribers, and thank you to all my old subscribers. You guys have a wonderful and blessed day. See ya. Deuces.